push past that and kind of go into a different, happier era of my life. Hey guys, what's up? It's Heather LeBas here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going back to the Bay Area to be with my family during Christmas. I haven't seen them in a year. I haven't seen my dog in a year. It's gonna be so great to see everybody. About to head out the door. I'm really stoked about this. I have a shoot that I'm doing. Every time it's been a while since I haven't shot anything, like a little part of my heart dies. Just like a little part of me dies if I haven't drawn anything. Speaking of drawing, you guys wanna see what I've been working on recently? This is a piece that I've been working on. I'm gonna give it to my boss for Christmas. Pretty happy with it, so I need to get going right now or else I'm gonna be late, and I don't want to be late to the shoot. They're gonna do hair and makeup for me when I get there. Actually taking along some props. I think I'm gonna bring this too. I'm so in love with this. It's like the outfit out of a dream. Oh my god.
Good. Good.
Oh, it's so pretty. Like, yes, girl.
You might want to say something about you being.
That's how I think all the time. So beige, it's like everything I love in this world.
Good idea.
Well, that was Haley's one. Thank you.
Thanks, Haley.
Never. So does it go here or does it go up? I think it goes there.
I'm excited for the second one.
Just like that. Perfect. Yeah, right there. Good. That's it.
Perfect. So that was cute how you did.
Look at this. This was like so fun. I loved this shoot.
Thank you.
And come in here too.
Oh.
And like, we had so much fun. We did it. We did it.
Yay.
I'm a cowgirl. That was so fun. Seriously had the best time ever. Taking a nice little shower. I'm gonna be working on this drawing for one of my coworkers. I call this my guess method, and then I go back in and I really tweak things. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on this. I'm really digging how it's looking so far. I'm gonna keep it a little bit loose. I kind of like these little line marks and everything, but I'm definitely gonna bring out more detail in the eyes. Just trying to finish this little guy off. Hello guys, it's a new day. So I did finish my little dog drawing that I did for one of my coworkers. So I did get my pictures back already, which was super fast. Look how cute it is. The page that you enter on is just so adorable. This is my photo shoot set. I guess there are gonna be 2 publications these are submitted to, so we'll see what ends up happening with that. But yeah, these are the pictures. I just love them so much. I mean, my boob is like really out there in that one. I'll show you my favorite one. I really like this one and this one. Just think it's very classic Hollywood. These were the cowboy ones. Bang, bang, baby. They're cute. I like them. So yeah, that's pretty much that. It's time for me to start packing everything up so I don't get super stressed out with everything else that I have to do. So without further ado, I'm going to start, you know, packing my little suitcase. If you're going somewhere and you're not trying to bring a whole bunch of stuff, try to pack your suitcase with things that will match each other. Then you can match things way easier. Your shoes will go with everything.
You're a Lebowski, I'm a Lebowski. That's terrific. Only you can.
I don't think this is gonna fit. I put this on here, this little scarf, so that I can find my bag. Today is the big day. I'm flying out and I have everything ready to go. Carry-on thing. I have my book. I don't love flying, I'm gonna be honest. I really don't, but I'm trying to make the most of this, so This is my little outfit that I'm gonna be wearing to the airport, which is probably not the most convenient thing because I'm gonna have to take off my boots, but I didn't really feel like they were gonna fit in my carry-on anyways. Little snuggle time before I have to go. Look who it is! Oh my god! Guess what I did in the bathroom?
Bathroom?
No, I fucking yacked. Oh.
No fucking way, you actually do? What happened?
I don't know, I get motion sickness like this. It goes all the way down. I love it so much. What? Just got this. And I'm happy. Hooray!
I know.
Look at the trees. So pretty. Elite's favorite tree. Right here. Well, hello there. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh, that's from the movie Conjuring.
I'm wearing that hat again. This is all I do. I mean, it's been raining ever since I got here, so. I look like a baguette.
Hi, it's your favorite croissantian.
I was just talking to Lolita about this. My hair is falling out because I've been really stressed for the past, what, 3 months? 4 months?
5 months?
I don't know, a year. So my hair, I don't know if you can see, but it's lost its girth.
Hey, yo, you can't say that.
Pretty sure a ponytail and a hat are the two worst things for when your hair is falling out, but it's good. It's all good. The photographer that I worked with is submitting the photos that we did to a magazine, and I was supposed to write a little bit of a bio for it, right? I could not come up with it for the past, what, freaking 5 days, and I was supposed to submit it already. But I finally came up with something, but you're clowning on how it sounded. I was trying to make it sound, you know, from the 1920s, where I was just like, hello, greetings. I don't know anymore. Why is there so much traffic?
45, a little bit of cream cheese, and then you let the tea come in.
This is good. Sorry. Say hi, Odie. Oh, look at him. I have to say hi, Marcus. No, it's not. What did we do yesterday on Christmas?
What did we do?
Nothing.
Oh yeah. She played The Sims for
4 hours.
all day.
So this is happening. I don't even know.
What's going on?
And she loved it.
Yep, I managed to knock up my Sims and get them leveled up in life. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
You better eat it, damn it.
It's a special birthday.
Come here, come get some.
Hello! I just got back from meeting with Chris, who's also a photographer, and we did a little shoot together once I was back. Those are super cute too. We took some pictures with Echo, my little bunny. This is his new favorite place to sit. Look, 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 look. What the hell? Just a freaking cover! I did a cover again. I'm so excited. In the past, I've done several book covers and everything, and it just feels good to be putting myself out there again. So I have to tell you guys this story because it's super funny. I'm pretty much the worst flyer ever. Flight coming back to Vegas got delayed by 3 hours. And the week that I was in San Jose, I had a cough, but my test did come out negative, so wasn't crazy or anything. Well, I already have flight anxiety as it is, and I was so paranoid that I was gonna cough next to the person that I was sitting next to. So I'm waiting for my freaking flight to board. The line is forming and everything, and it's so huge. I always wait till everybody freaking boards the plane, and I'll be like the last person on. Meanwhile, I'm trying to fight my cough. I go in the bathroom. I'm just like coughing my lungs out, trying to get it out of me so I don't cough when I'm on the plane. But by the time that I left the bathroom, the entire freaking plane had boarded. I felt like the biggest dumbass. I'm not kidding you. Like, I looked out the window and I saw the little plane just start to fly away. And I was thinking, I did not spend that long in the bathroom. How did it board so fast? Like, what the hell? I had to check my suitcase for this flight and it already sent it to freaking Vegas. So I was in San Francisco and I had to Uber all the way back to San Jose. By that time it was 1 a.m. and Lalit was just not gonna come back for me. He was already freaking the magic school bus and drove me around the entire time that I was in San Jose. So Yeah, it was so crazy. I got back here on New Year's Eve, and I have to say, you know, I'm really trying to get things together. I know I've had a very stressful past year, and I did take down a lot of the videos where I was discussing things that were happening. Those videos were just really hard for me to see, and I just really want to push past that and kind of go into a different, happier era of my life. Have it so you guys could go watch those again if you want to, but I just couldn't have them on my channel anymore. It was making me too sad to look at them. Go after your dreams. Don't you know, I'm still going through a lot of difficult things right now in my life, but I'm doing everything that I can to just really be positive and just continue doing the things that I really love. And I really want to pass that on to you. You can do it. I'm rooting for you, okay? All right, guys, I love you so much. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.